Hello everyone, now I'm going to teach you how to solve rational inequalities. Alright, given a rational inequality, the first thing you have to do is find your critical values. How to find your first critical value, you'll set your denominator equal to 0 and solve for x. My denominator is x plus 2. If I set that equal to 0 and solve for x, I get negative 2. In other words, if I plug in negative 2 for x, negative 2 plus 2 equals 0, and I can never have 0 in my denominator. To find my other critical values, in this case, I can set my numerator equal to 0 and solve for x. When I do that, I will get positive 1. Now, my first critical value is going to be an open circle on my number line, always. And the other critical value in this case is going to be an open circle because my inequality is strictly less than 0. So I'll go over to my number line and draw where negative 2 and 1 will fall and keep both of those circles open. And then I will choose one number to test from each interval. I could test a number in between negative 2 and 1, or a number greater than 1, or a number less than negative 2. I'll choose 0. So if I plug in 0 for x, I'll get 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 2 less than 0. And then I'll get 1/2 less than 0. And I'll ask myself, is this statement true or false? It is false because 1/2 is not less than 0. So since I chose 0 to plug in, every number that falls in this interval is going to be false. Since these are false, the other two have to be true. They will always alternate. So the true intervals are the only ones that I will include in my answer. So therefore my answer is going to be from negative infinity to negative 2, parentheses, because the circle is open, and 1 to infinity, parentheses, because the circle is open.